Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to write a basic select statement. As we learned before, a basic select statement contains two clauses: select clause where you specify the column list, and from clause where you specify table list. Here we have three practices. The first one, write a query to display the employee ID, last name, job ID, hire date, and department ID for each employee. So you can type select. Oracle SQL commands are case insensitive, so you can put select in small letter or you can write it in capital letter, doesn't matter. Select, if you don't memorize the column list in the employees table, we can go here to the employees table at the left side and click on the plus sign here. So these are all columns in the employees table. So you can just type here employee ID, comma, we want the last name, last underscore name, comma, and we want the job ID and the hire underscore date, and last thing, department underscore ID. From clause we specify here the table name, employees. You can just double click here, employees. Once finished, you can highlight this query and click here on the green arrow sign, and this is a list of all employees: the employee ID, last name, job ID, hire date, and department ID of all employees. As we can see here, we have 107 employees. In the second practice here, write a query to display the department ID, department name for each department. So another way to write a select statement in Oracle SQL Developer, you can just drag this column here and write here a select statement, individual select statement, click apply. So he just type the select statement here, and you can edit this select statement. We want department ID, department underscore name. That's it. Semicolon here is an optional if you have only one select statement. If you have multiple select statement in the worksheet, it's a mandatory to put a semicolon. So here we can just highlight it and click on the run. So here we have a list of departments, the department ID and the department name of all departments. We have 27 departments. In the last practice here, write a query to display all columns of a region table. All columns we can write star instead of specifying all columns. We can just write select star from regions. Once finished, highlight the select statement and click on the green arrow sign here, or you can click at the same time control with enter. So here we go. This is a list of all regions in the region table. So in this practice we learned how to use a basic select statement to display information from specific table. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.